Hello friends, I am making one Christmas flower. So I am using three color of yarn: green, red, and cream color, and one 2.5 mm crochet hook. Let us start. Make one slip knot. Make 5 foundation chains and join it with slip stitch in the beginning chain or stitch. Form a small ring and make 3 chain. Count as your first single crochet double crochet. Make 11 more double crochet into this small ring. I have completed my 12th DC stitch, and now I am attach it with slip stitch in the beginning chain or stitch. And this is a very first round, and cut the yarn. Make one slip stitch. And now I am attaching second color yarn. Make one slip stitch, 3 chain, make one more 3 chain, count as your first DC stitch, and one more DC stitch in the same space or stitch. 2 chain, go to the next stitch and make 2 DC stitch, 2 chain, go to the next stitch and make 2 double crochet stitch, and you repeat the same pattern, same stitch in this round. Now I am going to the very first space, make one slip stitch and make 1 2 3 chain, count as a first DC stitch, one more DC stitch in the same space, 2 chain, 2 DC stitch and same space. So make 2 DC, 2 chain, 2 DC. Then skip the next 2 stitches, go to the space and repeat the same pattern, 2 DC stitch, 2 chain, you repeat the same pattern in this round. You repeat the same stitch another one round, 3 chain, count as the first DC stitch, 1 double crochet, 2 chain, I have completed 1, 2, 3 lines. Now I am joining the another color in space. Three chain, count as a first DC stitch. One more DC in the same space. 2 chain, 2 DC, then 2 chain, and go to the skip the next 2 stitches. Go to the next and make 1 slip stitch. Then 2 chain, go to the space and make 2 DC, 2 chain, 2 DC. You repeat the same pattern in this round. 1, 2 chain, skip the 2 stitches, go to the space, make 1 slip stitch or single crochet, 2 chain, go to the space, make 2 DC, 2 chain, 2 more DC, the same space. Repeat it. Hello friends, I have completed my Crochet Christmas Flower. You can use it in your posters or use it in your home decor. Thanks for watching my videos.